So I wake up this morning, and this is what my dad... Alright guys, we gave it a few heat cycles. That was close, he just about ran over my feet. Smell that two-stroke smoke. It's sweet. According to him, it fired for 2 kicks this morning. It's mean. Meaner than a Banshee. Maybe not meaner than a Banshee, but sure more reliable. By a long shot. I cannot see anything on the phone, so forgive me if you're just pointing at the sky or a tree. Haha. Still runs really good.
It runs like a champ. I mean, it does.
Yes.
It runs
Well,
real good.
as was proven there by your riding.
And I was just barely getting on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it is more powerful than a Yamaha Banshee 350. That's what I would like for it to be. Because it's sure as heck 1,000 times more reliable than one of those old pieces of junk. It's already blazing hot out here, but let's just give it... Let's see if it fires first kick. What I mean by silly, let's watch it fire first kick, because I know it will. Get out of here, Bumble. Shoo! Stupid bumblebee.
Can you hold the camera?
Yes, please.